Welcome back to another Paraiso Realty Property Tour. I'm Bob, and today we're in the Condado neighborhood of San Juan, where we have a 2-bedroom, 2-bath on the 8th floor of the Madrid Building on Calle Loiza. I'll see you up there. Welcome to the Madrid Building on Calle Loiza. We're up here on the 8th floor of what is an elevator building. This is number 803. The entrance comes right into the living room, as you can see here. Very sunny. Those doors and that balcony lead out to the south. So on the back side of the building, quiet side of the building. Actually, on the 8th floor, things should be fairly quiet from any noise down the street. This is the living room. It's about 19 by 11 feet. There's the door that we came in. If you want to leave that door open, there is a Rayhouse door there so you can get a breeze coming from the hallway. There is an AC unit here in the living room. It's also AC in each of the bedrooms. This is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath. Again, this is the living room, leads out to a balcony here. It's facing south, so there's a view looking over Condado towards Santurce. That was looking west, southwest. This is looking east. You can see El Yunque off in the distance there. Gorgeous blue skies today. There's the compressor for the mini split that's in the living room. Outside here, there are French doors, some French storm doors with glass that fold out. You can also see the windows there, slanted windows that do open. So if you want to keep those doors closed and still have a breeze coming in, that's a possibility. It's concrete walls, concrete ceiling. This is a mid-rise apartment building. So there you see the tiles on the floor. From the living room, we go into the kitchen. There's been some upgrades to this unit. See some of the new cabinetry there. It's a double sink. There's some of the newer cabinets up top. Over on the right here, we have a microwave up top. And then down below is an electric stove and oven. On the left side here, we've got a stackable washer and dryer right there. A little optical illusion, that left side wall is mirror, so you're seeing a double of everything here. And there's a refrigerator around the corner here on the left, and I'm making a little appearance there. Now you can see why I like to stay behind the camera. So there's back out to the living room, the balcony. From here we go down a hallway. Again, the tile floor. There's a hallway here. It's a nice decorative wood door there that separates this living area with the back bedrooms. There's a closet there on the right that mirrored glass doors. On the first right here, we have the first of two bathrooms. Excuse me. You can see the tile on the walls. Very decorative. You can see the shower. There's also down below. This is a little bit of a bathtub down there. There's the toilet and the vanity sink with the glass bowl. It's all fairly modernized, including the lights and the mirror, the tile. So that's the first of 2 bathrooms. Across the hall, we'll come into the, this is the first of 2 bedrooms. This bedroom is about 11 feet by 11 feet. It does have a nice closet space as well. Again, this window faces south, similar to that balcony off the living room. Kind of same view of Condado there. Again, each of the bedrooms has an AC unit. So it's a good size. This is a good size, perfect size for an office, or if you're starting a family, this could be a kid's room. Closets here also have our cedar line, which is very nice. There's already some shelving already in place. So this would be ideal unit for starting a family, or if you need to share the apartment with someone else to pay for the mortgage. It should be noted this building does not allow short-term rentals, so this is something you'll have to live in. This is the second bedroom. This is the primary bedroom. It's a little bit larger. It's about 15 by 10 feet. Again, the windows Off to the south, there's a window here on the west as well. Another good sized bedroom, plenty of room for a queen size bed, king size bed, perhaps a dresser. This does have an attached ensuite bathroom, which is over behind those block glass wall there. So once you're in this bedroom, you've got access to your bathroom. So 2-bedroom, 2-bath. Everybody gets their own bathroom. This glass block actually allows a lot of that natural light coming in from those other windows to this back corner of the unit. There is a closet there on the left behind the glass doors. Two closets there actually, and they're actually cedar lined as well. Back here in the is a shower. This doesn't have the bathtub down below, but a nice shower. Recent upgrades with the tile. You can see down below there's no bathtub, just a lip there for the shower. You can see the toilet, and this has updated double sink. You can see the natural light coming there through the glass block as well with the mirror. So good sized bathroom here, ensuite bathroom. So we're on the 8th floor. Again, this is an elevator building on Calle Loiza in the Madrid Building. So we're nice up and high to get good breezes. It's a good sized apartment. Everybody has their own little corner of the apartment. Good sized space, decent privacy. Again, there's the glass block, which is becoming popular again. Here's a view out there's the AC. I said every bedroom has AC, and there's the view out to the west. There you can see Calle Loiza down below and some of the buildings over at Kings Court. Something I forgot to mention, this apartment does have a designated parking space, so something a lot of folks are looking for. Check out our website, give me a call, send me an email. I'd love to answer any questions you might have about this Madrid condo, number 803.